Welcome to day one of the 90-day content creation challenge. Now, today I'm going to go over the challenge, what it is, how it works, and who it is for. And then at the end, I'm going to add all the documents related to the challenge in the comments below. So if you want to follow along, tomorrow, or rather the 1st, is a great day to start. 1st of September, 90 days to go. Perfect time for you to start the challenge yourself. All right, so let's go into the challenge itself. Basically, why the 90-day challenge? Now, it is a daily content creation system to save you time, it helps you post consistently, and in return will help you get more leads. Now, this is specifically for people who don't know where to start, getting inconsistent marketing, no leads, if you're a bit stressed out because you don't have a nice structure for you to work with every day, you're not seeing any growth or the success you wanted to see in the business so far. Now, what happens if you don't have that structure with your content creation every day, a plan, a schedule, something that you know you can use and will work for you every day? Is that you'll burn out from the confusion, your lead generation will fail, and eventually you will abandon the whole system, you'll give up, and that will mean you'll have to return to your 9 to 5 or stay with your 9 to 5 if you're currently still there. Like I said yesterday, this is now basically to form new habits, establish your brand, to get new leads, to learn new skills. And because we are all a little bit lazy to a certain degree, this will help you beginning to establish a routine for yourself where you can go out, create the content each day, and start building your brand and getting exposure, getting more leads every day. Now, how the challenge is going to work is for the next 90 days or whenever you start, you'll be creating one long form video post each day, roughly 15 minutes or less. That long form video, we're going to cut up into smaller pieces, between 3 to 5 pieces, maybe more, depending on the video you create. The long form video we're going to share on platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, that is perfect more for your long form video content. And then the short form videos we're going to share on Facebook Reels, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, those kind of places where you more post your short term or your short form content rather than long form content. Now, basically, like I said, I'm going to create and edit a 15-minute video, post that video to the desired social media channels. Short form can be scheduled for the whole day. This is very nice. I mean, if you have created your 3 or 5 short form videos, and instead of going into social media every time when you post, schedule them out. I know a lot of the social media platforms allow you to schedule your posts. What you can do as well with, for instance, TikTok, if you on your PC, you can schedule it there to go out at certain times of the day. This is perfect now for sending a daily newsletter. You're going to send this email out to your clients stating, okay, this is the video I created today. This is what it's about. A link to the YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want to redirect them. And then that will increase your engagement on the video itself. It will get you in front of more people because people open your emails, they click on your email link, that will push your emails and your authority with your emails as well, which is also a very nice bonus for you. We'll also schedule or take note of the start and the end times to see how we are doing every day. Are we improving? How long it took us to do the whole system. And by the end of the 90 days, you'll need to, or you will see a great improvement in the time it takes you from starting to film the video till having your final product, your short forms, everything completed. What you'll also do each day is spend about 30 minutes doing engagement in the comments. If somebody asks a question or drops a comment, just to engage with those followers, get a little bit of interaction going, which also helps improve your standing or your viewpoint from your client side as somebody that's actually active, not just posting content and then just disappearing. You're also going to monitor sales and amounts. If you did get a sale for the day, you're going to note it in the document, the amount of what the sale was. If you did more than one, note them, keep track of it. And in this way, you can also see, are you improving? What is happening? Now, each day will be tracked in the 90-day content creation challenge planner. I'll give you guys a look at it in a bit. And the planner has a place for everything that you're going to track. So your long form video, you're going to paste your link there. If it's for YouTube or for Facebook, post both if you want. Your short form videos, you can post the links if you want. Otherwise, just note there that you did post them for the day. So just give it a yes or a no, just to make sure that you keep track of what you did and what not. Your 30-minute engagement, did you do it? Did you not do it? If not, why not? What happened? I know time is also a very difficult thing sometimes to take into consideration. So if you're having a busy schedule, if you can even spare like 5 or 6 minutes, just going through some of the comments you're getting, see what questions there are. You can get a lot of leads this way. Did you send the email to your email list? Yes or no? What time did you start? What time did you end? Sales and amounts, all of this we're going to keep track of. See the progress through the 90 days. Now, I'm also going to include for you a daily content creation workflow. This is going to make it easier for you to create your daily content. It's going to simplify the whole process for you. At some point, I'm going to do a video on content creation, how to break down your whole business to get more content ideas for you that you can work with, which makes it easier to create content, to simplify the process and help you to not run out of ideas when you're on day 30 or 60 or whenever. Now, the first one we've got here is your daily content challenge planner. Now, here you'll see your links to your long form video, short form engagement, everything I talked about now. You can track that daily. Now, you'll start with your first day, and what you'll do is to make it easier, just click one of the dates, add it in here like I did, and you'll see the other dates are now all out of whack. So what you do is simple. The small little blue dot, if you're on your PC, I'm not sure how it's going to work on your phone. I've not tried on my phone yet. I work dominantly on my PC. So click on that, click and hold it, and just drag it down all the way to day 90. And then you'll see it automatically edits all the dates for you. I gave you a little bit of an instruction here below. If you don't see this video or whatever reason, okay? Everything will be tracked here, day 1 up to day 90. Now, the second one we are going to look at is then your daily content creation workflow. This is just going to help you to create content, like I said. Make a copy of both of them. Simply go to File, make a copy. And then you have your own copy you can work with, which will just make it a little bit easier than having, mine won't be able to edit. So you have your own one where you can then edit and work on as you want. Now, basically, keep your answers short and simple. Focus on purpose of the content in relation to the audience and why they should care. This is basically just an outline I'm giving you guys how to create your content. If you've got any questions or such, just reach out to me. We can go over this. Basically, everything you'll need, how to create your content each day to make it more engaging to your leads, how to use your hooks to catch their attention. Then basically you'll just fill in these ones. Who is the intended audience and what are they trying to get? Now, for this one, it's for online coaches, course creators, consultants trying to get more leads and have more time. What part of the customer journey are you focusing on? Discovery, trying to sort of who. So, 90-day challenge, for example, use this to solve one of your problems, which is content creation and staying consistent, having a daily action plan. What do they want? Daily content creation system to save time, post consistently, and get more clients. What's stopping them from it? Conflict or current problem. Do you not know where to start? Inconsistent marketing, no leads, stress, no growth, no success. Like I said before, what is at stake? You'll burn out, fail, uh, leads won't come through, you won't make sales. All the things that are important to your business. Or what helps them? My daily content creation workflow. This one I'm sharing with you guys today. How do they get it? How do they get? How do they get what they want? The video you're seeing now, and I'll drop the links in the comments for you to get the desire all these files so you can use them. How will they transform? They realize the importance of a system to create content consistently to get more leads. That's what we want to do here. Then what type of content creating and what's your big idea? Titles. This is a couple of titles. Go through them, see which one works, which doesn't, or which one stands out the most to you. It's got to be catching, something that will make your client or the person who sees the video stop and say, okay, wait, this looks interesting. Your thumbnails. You're going to create a couple, especially for YouTube. This is very important there. Something that stands out, attention grabbing. What is your hook? That first line that you're going to say that's going to grab their attention. What 3 points you will cover in the content? These will become your short form videos. So if you have a 3, 4, 5, cut those out, use them for your short form content. What are you going to ask them to do at the end of the content? It's your call to action. For this, I'm going to ask you guys simply just to get the files, the documents, and follow along. That's basically it. When I post this to my content, I'm going to have a call to action saying this is available in my group. Follow me, drop me a comment, or if I'm going to leave the link, say click on the link below to join. Something to get them into the group so that they can take part in this, see what I'm going to do, and how it's going to work. So basically, this you can go through on your own when you want. Now, as you can see, I'm also at the point where I'm not very comfortable yet in front of the camera. I'm normally a written post kind of guy, pen and paper. So yeah, this is going to be something new for me each day as well, getting used to it, getting more relaxed in front of the camera. I'm going to do more lives, try to do more lives as well, be more active in the group. So I'd appreciate it, guys, if you drop a comment below if you have any questions. Do drop me a like, a share, anything to just increase the engagement on there so that more people can see it. If you've got questions, like I said, please drop them in the comments below. If you want to find out more how to create better content, how to utilize your content better to get leads, to minimize sales calls, to even eliminate sales calls, to get new clients in, to nurture your clients better, please drop me a message, send me a DM directly, and we can see if we can help you out, get you sorted, and get you going. All right, guys, I appreciate you taking the time out. Have a lovely day further, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.